So because of how this week is going, one of my coworkers got COVID, so I got to cover for him. I don't get a day off, and I've been trying to put this together piece by piece, a couple hours a day, and we finally got it. It's running, but it still needs a lot of work. Two things: I got the air leak, of course. I gotta fix that as soon as possible. Second, I need to clean it up a little bit. I got some wires and some gasket makers smeared all over the place. But let's give you an overview of this bike, just in case anyone hasn't kept up and wants to see what's going on. The frame is an F0 from Bikeberry. It came with the forks, the tires, the wheel set, cranks. It pretty much came as a ready-to-go bicycle, just needed a motor. It's got the Maxxis hookworm tires. These triple tree forks are nothing special and need to be replaced soon. These handlebars are off an old Cranbrook. These are the stock Cranbrook bars that I chopped and fit on here because the bars that came with this were borderline unusable unless you're racing all the time. Turns out they kind of match the profile of Loki's helmet, so a commenter suggested calling it the Loki bike, so we got Loki sticker there. Other stickers on the bike: we got our pedaling sucks, we got our shake and bake, and of course you cannot forget Amos the Clown. This is a mirror I got off of Amazon. It's been one of the very few mirrors that I actually like. Still not perfect, but it's holding strong, and it gives me a nice flat mirror so I can actually see cars coming up. Those fisheye mirrors are pretty much worthless on a motorized bike, in my opinion. I'll try and leave a link to that in the description, along with a handful of other things that I think of. The bottom end is a standard Firestorm Zeda 80. It's the exact same bottom end we've been using in the Porting and Performance series. It's got the case stuffers, G2 reed with the reed stuffers from DLH Performance. This Minarelli conversion kit's also from DLH Performance. Running the stock Zeda head for now because the studs are too short. This is the Stage 2 CDI from Bikeberry, the BBR Stage 2. On top of it's just a battery pack for charging stuff or running my lights, but that's going to come off because I just couldn't make it look good enough. This coil, of course, is included with that Stage 2. This cat just is bugging me to pet it. It just won't let me stop petting it. G2 reed, of course, with the adapter for the PZ19. Running the PZ19 for now because I've got a full set of pilot and main jets for it. Interesting thing about these bike chain tensioners is they are great for aligning your wheel and setting the adjustment on both chains. However, you still need to take as many links out of the bike chain as possible to get this chain up, because if you have this tensioner too far down, when you go to pedal hard, the chain will just slip over to the teeth. This is an Amazon special, about 80 bucks. It's a Yamaha jog pipe that we cut and welded. Weld's not pretty, but it's holding, it's not leaking. So I'm happy about that. It's the first weld I've ever done. And hopefully we'll take it on a nice little adventure ride here pretty soon. And until next time, guys, ride safe.